Welcome everyone to another brand new video. Today in this video I like to share you guys top 5 Android icon pack in 2021. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. So guys, start the video. Welcome back. I am already making some tutorial video how to customize your any Android phone look like Pro. All the video link in the video description and on the I button. So let's move on the main video. Our first application is Kwgt icon pack. The application comes with 5283 custom icon pack. Kwgt icon pack is my favorite icon pack because the application comes with very lightweight and colorful icon pack and simple. If you guys looking for a simple and colorful icon pack, please try Kwgt icon pack. Kwgt icon pack also comes with 59 wallpaper. Wallpaper collection is excellent. Wallpaper is very lightweight and colorful. By the way, all the application download link available on my video description. Go there and check this. Our second application is Beeline icon pack. The application comes with 1618 custom icon pack. Personally, I like Beeline icon pack because the application comes with simple icon pack with black and white and colorful. Beeline icon pack also comes with 46 wallpaper. Wallpaper collection is excellent. Number 3 icon pack is Creamy Pro icon pack. The application comes with 2187 custom icon pack. The icon pack comes with colorful and big, which look very nice and interesting. Here you also find 54 wallpaper which come with black and white and colorful, and all the wallpaper resolution is very high. Our phone number application is Viral icon pack. The application comes with 6151 custom icon pack. And the application also comes with some category, new, bonus, Google, apps, games and system. And the application also comes with 395 cloud wallpaper. And here you can find some category, Overwatch, Sea, Fire Mountain, Grease, Dark Knight and etc and etc. By the way, you have to use third-party launcher to apply this icon pack on your home screen. I am using Nova launcher and you can use Nova launcher and whatever launcher you can like. Our 5 number application is Minma icon pack. The application comes with 1158 custom icon pack. The icon pack comes with black and colorful. And here you can find some category, Google's, games, system, oldest and olds. So which people are like black icon pack with colorful, so definitely try Minma icon pack. Okay, today video about that. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe the channel. See you next time in another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. Allah Hafiz.